Pilots, listen for the tone.
3, 2, 1.
These canopies are a must. Flying in Texas. Right, kids. You have to have we could get roasted. Canopies. I've been talking about these canopies. What about these canopies, man?
Austen 17-8 in first. It will be fun 16-7 in fifth. Crusader 22.2 in second.
No, I'm saying like as in, it's like more windy for them than they fly.
Austen 15-6 in first. It will be fun 15-6 in fifth. Helitroll 34 flat in fourth. Crusader 19-9 in second. Austen 15-4 in first. It will be fun 16-6 in second. Austen 16-4 in first. Crusader 28.7 in 45 seconds left. It will be fun 20.1 in second. Helitroll 40.3 in fifth. Austin 71.6 in first. It will be fun 21.5 in second. "15 seconds left. 10, 9, Austen 21.3 in first. 6, it will be fun 61 in second. Crusader 42.8 in third. 1, Helitroll 37 flat in fourth. Austen 12.5 in first. Austen done. Crusader 25 flat in third. Crusader done. Helitroll 42.4 in fourth. Helitroll done. All